How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is your host, Steve Nyanumba, ready to take you through the most interactive coding session of all time. And this is the day 2 of coding an ERP. For those guys who are joining in and have actually not ever interacted with that voice before, or rather that what did I say? Voice. I said voice. If we've never interacted with what an ERP is, it's just generally an entity resource planner. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I'm gonna say. So entity resource planners are used by businesses generally. If we can find ways to incorporate the best of the best ERPs into our code, the better. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be coding this from scratch, and we've already come past day 1. So if you guys have not seen day 1, it's a 3-hour live stream. So I'm gonna switch from the intermission and come straight onto the screen and show you guys what we are needing. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tech Chess, most interactive coding channel in Kenya. I dare say it's in Kenya that we are saying that we are the most interactive coding channel. And then we move on to taking over the world as well. All right. Great. Let me forward this link to more people who are going to be taking us through. So if you guys are going to be on it, join us, please do. This is going to be an interactive session, so I really expect that there'll be more people joining in. If there are none, then I'll be speaking to myself for this afternoon, or this evening, sorry, or this morning for those guys who are watching it in a particular morning or something like that. That being said, let's jump into it. Let me just do one small sharing. Great. Things are looking up. I can't really tell who is in or out of stream. I think I need to put something like a something like a what? Like a counter, maybe something that points a counter over here or something. I don't know. Anyway, I know there are no people on stream currently, so we can just jump straight into it. All right. I don't know how loud the music is, by the way. I don't know how loud it is. Let's see. What's this? Great. It sounds good. Things are sounding good. Okay, so those who have me on loudspeaker, like on a loudspeaker or something, just reduce the volume. I'm not gonna tell you to, you know, just be there and listen to everything. Uh, so the live stream was scheduled at around the time that I was having supper. I figured, why not? Why not be authentic? So I'm gonna eat in front of all of you, really. It may seem unprofessional, but I mean, you all can relate when you have to work at the same time that you are, you know, eating or doing whatever. Maybe even a phone call may come through. Today's the day. It's gonna be a 3-hour live stream. Okay, make that 2 hours because we're going to just touch on a few things. I've only just created a few tables over here to deal with the HRM and the CRM. And what we need to do now is add some functionality, add some umph. So how the application looks currently. Let me open another tab and drag it here. Right, so it's called Stocks Planner. Taking its sweet time to load. Great. Okay. So I can just come in here and log in. Looking good. So over here, from whatever is on the main page, this is what was there by default. What I'm going to do here is now I'm going to be dealing with administrators. So the list of administrators is what I want to deal with. Give me for, first of all, indulging in my food. So what I'm going to have the list of administrators for, I don't know what this chart is for. List of administrators is going to be for just listing down the administrators that are in the system, whether they be super administrators or administrators. And I know for sure there are no functionalities that will enable me for that. So if I come in here and do admin stroke admins stroke index or admin stroke admins, or for not found because the routes are not created. So if you come back to the routes, this is where we left the routes at. We said that this section was going to hold the administrator's routes, and whatever we were going to hold underneath it were meant to be the client's routes, or let's say client's routes. And the prefix over here will be client, and whatever function happens over here, this will also be client.dashboard. It's fine. So we're dealing with these ones mostly, the routes. These were the main routes that we're going to be creating. The only one that works is the one to go to the dashboard. We need to create some more routes to make sure that this app works fine and dandy, so that we have admins. All right, so check this out. There's some Livewire components we also created in the last episode, and they're all over here. Livewire admin, dashboard, then there's client dashboard, and then there's employee dashboard, then there's supplier dashboard. So these are all the 4 users in the system. And so therefore we have 4 different major modules of this entire system. Great. So first things first, I'm going to come in here and create some Livewire packages. So I can see you guys on chat. Chris, welcome to the stream, my G. Great stream going on. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us in the chat. If you want to really say anything, I mean, feel free, feel free. Stream is open for whatever it is that you want to say, whatever it is that you want as an input. If you've not watched the first stream, well, I'd say go and watch the first stream which happened yesterday. It was a 3-hour long stream, but it also entails coding this from scratch. For those guys who have experiences with Laravel on the beginner side of things. So yeah, that being said, for all those guys who are going to be tuning in onto the stream and didn't check this out live, yeah, that's the start from the very beginning. Then you come to day 2, then you go to day 3, then we go to day 4. And I'd like to point this out that this would probably be my last broadcast in this room for this. So yeah, let's get it. Okay, so the modules that we're dealing with, let's actually just note them down. Over in the administrators, there's supposed to be list administrators and then there's create administrators. Yeah, man, I remember you, bro. I remember you. Crazy Dice. I remember you, bro. I actually have saved your number. Yeah, as your real name, not as Crazy Dice. No, don't dance. I've not streamed in so long. I have actually. I've been streaming left, right, and center, some gaming stuff on my new gaming channel. It's KingStevenNOS Gaming. I've been doing some stuff on my main channel, and now I'm here doing this on the tech channel. Great. So I'm gonna first of all edit some things in this. Let's see. Let's go to components, admin links, and then I am going to just chuck where it's written chart and say create new. Because that's what it's supposed to do. Create new administrator. It's supposed to be in admin dashboard, not in dashboard. So there's that. And then inside the web browser, that's what is happening over here. So this entire thing should be going to admin dashboard. So this over here, even this should not be working. I'll just have to do some redirects. So routes, redirects. So I'll redirect the home page to maybe say just dashboard. And then I'll come in here and do a route get for the dashboard. So I'll just do function. So this will be 2 different redirects that will be happening. So if we are directed to the dashboard, then the function will redirect us to the dashboard of the user. Check them out and sub. Yeah, for sure, bro. But don't forget to sub to this one as well. Don't forget to sub to this one as well. Okay, so continuing, now that we've redirected to this over here, now we want to get the link over here once we are redirected here. And once we get it, we'll do a return redirect. So I'll say if the authenticated user is an admin, then redirect to the main dashboard, return redirect routes admin dashboard, right? So we'll do admin dashboard like that. 2, 3. So I know for sure this one and this one will change. This will be clients. This will be supplier. And this one will be okay. So client, employee, supplier. So this is employee. So that's how we segregate our application. So now this is what happens once we come back here. If we return backwards, it will redirect us. Or it won't. Let's see. Should have redirected us. So I think it's something to do with the cache. So PA config clear. Yeah. And then the next one is cache clear. Great. Things are looking good. So up to TechChats, thank you, my G. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the sub. Really do appreciate it. Appreciate you, man. It's been a while. It's been a while indeed. I need to be doing this more consistently. So this is just day 2. I'm hoping to finish this by day 60. So I'll be carrying this one until day 60. So be sure to share. Be sure to comment as much as you can. Be sure to like. But especially share this shit because people will need this in future. Great. So this is how it should work. If I'm being very general. If I refresh this. It should actually return me, give me redirection. Let me think. Just redirect usually takes your URI and destination. God damn. Let's see, let's think. Yeah, this might be just too many redirects, if I'm being honest. Because we don't know if the user is an admin, user is client. So we can do else ifs. And then else if. And then we do else if. Then else. So this means that the user is not authenticated. So else return, no, I'll say else abort, and I'll do 403, And then I'll say you cannot access here if you're not authenticated. Those are the error codes, very important. Let's see if route list works. And in very respectable fashion, it does work. Thank you very much. So admin dashboard is there, client dashboard is there. The supplier and there is supplier and admin, client, supplier, and employee. Supplier, employee. So I'll start with this one. All right, then we come in here, we do what? Supplier. Then the next one we do employee. One, two, three. There we go. Looks good, looks good. I don't know if those routes will be registered in. So let's see, client dashboard, employee dashboard, and the main dashboard. Where is it? The admin dashboard. There we go. Okay. Okay, so that was coffee in its finest. Now, studying this code, I'm trying to think, what is it that I'm missing here? Maybe the middleware. Should be the middleware. Needed to add an admin middleware, client middleware, supplier middleware, employee middleware. So first middleware is administrator. Okay, this lo-fi is giving me the biggest sleep vibes ever. Maybe I just need to finish eating, then things will be okay. In the meantime, let's sift through this. Stream bits can't just be all that just after one ancient sitting. Oh, but it is. The hip hop has been clicked a lot. Nah, that has just immediately woken me up. Thank you. Almost done with food. Bear with me. Wait. Now we serve coffee. And get water. So let's follow along. I'm gonna make some middleware here. The one I don't have probably is the administrator's middleware. The administrators, let's say middleware. Middleware is found in app, HTTP, middleware. Yeah, so I don't have administrator, so there's administrator, right? Then there's super administrator. Then there's employee, supplier, and client. Let's get some coffee. Open this. And we're out of water. Coffee break needs to be taken. Yes, I think I may be delaying a lot. Let's just finish the middleware, right? Let's finish the middleware. Okay, so we have administrator over here. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to use the auth command. So if auth user is admin. So I'll do a return, or I'll say auth user is admin. Then there'll be two choices. You either return or I abort. Let's see. So return auth user is admin question mark. If it's true, then do next request. If it's not true, then you abort. And the 403 is there, shenanigans, and the message will be you're not an administrator. Great. That's it for that middleware. This one is done. Over here we use also the is super for the super admin. Like so, but instead of is admin we'll put is super. Like so. You close it off. That's it. Then we go up to supplier. Same routine. Is supplier. And then we come into our employee, same deal as client. And then the client. This one is his client. Should I have taken a nap before starting this? I don't know. I don't think. So on these other ones, I put you're not an administrator. So for here for super, you're not a superior administrator. Supplier, you're not a supplier. Client, you're not a client. Great. So this client, employee, super administrator, supplier, and admin himself. I don't know, I'm feeling a bit sleepy all of a sudden. I've just started the stream, and tell you what, I don't want to do this. Give me a break, guys. Give me a break. I don't know what's going on. Okay, now for these others, this is admin. You can see there's is client, is all those different kinds of things. So what we're going to do to enable them to appear is to make sure that we have them in our models, user, and then we create some functionalities over here. So there's, for example, this one could be what? This one could be get. Let's just do get. Get user attribute. So get. Jesus, this sleepiness is hitting me. This sleepiness is hitting me. God damn. Get is admin attribute. Return this. Just think about the relationships. I haven't started defaming the freaking what's this thing called? So deconstructing what should go into the models from what is in the middle already. That's wrong. It's already bad. God damn. Looks like I'll have to start the stream again, maybe tomorrow morning. As of now, sleepiness is hitting me. So guys, stay tuned. Day 2 continues tomorrow. Right now, the devs block has hit me properly. I don't think it's the coffee that I'm lacking. I think it's just genuine fatigue. So ladies and gentlemen, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Right now it's already it's 10:30 p.m. I'll see you guys tomorrow, where I'll be streaming maybe a full 7 hours and trying to hit the full hour mark on the worker time. So this is my worker time. Let me just show it to you guys. So welcome to my worker time. I plan on doubling this just tomorrow, actually. So damn, I think today has just been something else. Day 2 will continue. Today I've only done 27 minutes on which project? What is it going to say? I've only done 27 minutes. Yesterday I did 2 hours 20 minutes. The day before I did 1 hour 19. 1 hour 8. This one was 1 hour 2. I think I'll have to increase my durability, and to do that I'll have to move. I'll have to change offices. So next week I will be planning to move or to change locale. This is the last time I'll be doing, or this is the last week generally I'll be doing the broadcasts and the streams for tech tests in this place. But for the gaming channel, they'll still be there, definitely. So yeah, that being said, ladies and gentlemen, please join us on the continuation of day 2. We've done middlewares over here, so that's what we're going to leave it at, and we're going to come and revisit this function over here and what it does. That being said, adios, and I will see you guys later. Please do take care, and take care of yourselves very well, please, so that we can be able to see you tomorrow, guys. That's all from me, and I am tired as hell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and peace.